Dear children, how are you all? I hope you all are all safe at home. I am Rashmi ma'am, your EVS educator. Today's thought of the day is every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. मतलब हर दिन हमारे लिए अच्छा नहीं हो सकता है, लेकिन हर दिन हमको कुछ नया सीखने को मिलता है जो हमारे लिए अच्छा होता है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, एवरी डे मे नॉट बी गुड, बट देयर इज समथिंग गुड इन every day. Children, today we are going to start with a new chapter, Our Earth. Chapter number 4, Our Earth. Do you know, children, in which planet do we live? That's right. We all live in blue planet called Earth. You can see the picture. How does the earth look like? It looks blue in color. So children, today we are going to learn about our earth. The earth is a rocky planet. The only planet suitable for life. Do you know, children, why earth is called a blue planet? The earth has largest amount of water. About 70% of earth is covered with water like oceans and seas and rivers. So it is called as blue planet. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, क्यों ब्लू प्लैनेट कहा जाता है? क्योंकि अर्थ में 70% वाटर भरा हुआ है. All right children, and because of water, earth is a suitable place to live. We live on earth. Plants and animals also live with us on earth. Children, the shape of the earth is like an orange, round and slightly flat at the top and at the bottom. The earth is covered with land, water and air. Now let us study about land. There are different kinds of lands. A large area of flat land is called a plain. Children, you can see the picture. आप पिक्चर में देख सकते हो फ्लैट लैंड है, तो इसे प्लेन कहा जाता है. यहाँ पर क्रॉप्स ग्रो कर सकते हैं. क्रॉप्स ग्रो वेल ऑन द प्लेन्स. प्लेन एरिया में क्रॉप्स अच्छे से ग्रो कर सकते हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. वेरी हाई लैंड is called a hill or a mountain. You can see the picture of hills and mountains. The hills and mountains are high lands. बहुत ऊंचे ऊंचे लैंड होते हैं. हिल्स थोड़े छोटे कम ऊंचे रहते हैं और माउंटेन्स उससे भी ऊंचा रहता है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो वेरी हाई लैंड is called a hill or a mountain. But some crops like tea and coffee grow well in hilly areas. टी और कॉफ़ी है ना, ये हिल्स में ग्रो करते हैं. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर चिल्ड्रेन, कैन यू सी? कैन यू टेल मी which picture is this? It is a desert, a large area of land that has very little water and where very few plants grow is called a desert. Many deserts are covered with sand. डेज़र्ट में सैंड रहता है और वहाँ पे पानी बहुत कम रहता है, इसीलिए वहाँ पे प्लांट्स ग्रो नहीं करते हैं. बहुत कम प्लांट्स मिलते हैं वहाँ पर. ओके चिल्ड्रन, यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड. Which animal is called the ship of the desert? It is the camel. The camel moves on this desert. Okay, children? So, this is the desert where the area is covered with sand. Now it is water. A large part of the earth is covered with water. There is water in the oceans, rivers, lakes and ponds. आप देख सकते हो पिक्चर में. This is an ocean. Okay children, it is covered with water. See the next picture. It is a river. Here also the water is flowing. And the next picture you can see, it is a lake. Okay children, you know children, water is very much useful for us. You can see the picture. How is it useful for us? We use water to drink, to wash our clothes, to brush our teeth, to take bath, to cook our food, isn't it? And also for gardening. So, the water is very much useful for us. That is why we should not waste water. हमको वाटर वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. And also we should save water and keep the water clean. We should not throw garbage and other waste into the rivers and seas because it makes the water dirty. When the water becomes dirty, we cannot use it. So, we should keep the water clean and also should not waste the water. Okay, children? Next is air. Our earth is also covered with air. That is why we can breathe. We cannot see air, but we can only feel it. All living things like plants and animals need air. If there was no air on earth, then no living things could have survived. मतलब यदि एयर नहीं होता तो फिर हम जिंदा नहीं रहते. So because there is air on earth, we live on earth. So we get everything that we need from the earth. हमको सब कुछ मिलता है ना? पानी भी मिलता है और हवा भी मिलता है. Okay children, so we must take care of it. तो पानी का भी हमको ध्यान रखना चाहिए और हवा भी पोल्यूटेड नहीं करना चाहिए. तो उसके लिए हमको क्या करना है? We must not cut trees, but we should grow more trees. Okay children, we should grow more trees and make the water clean. Alright children, I hope children you have understood. You have to read the chapter twice and understand it more better. Okay children? Thank you. Have a nice day.